All right, 4th and goal. I'm so sorry for forgetting about running this video. This is to find the winner of my Jared Cook 16 by 20 photo. So we'll check the time, November 21st at 4:06 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We had November 21st at 4:06 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Christine. Spot number 5 is our winner. So, Christine, please message me your address, and we'll get that out for you. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 21st, 4:07 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.